kuzo zonke iinkalo zobomi bezokunika imbeko kweli ziko losasazo. Isithethi emva kwesithethi sincome i-SABC ngendima yayo ekuphuhliseni uluntu hayi eMzantsi Afrika kuphela kodwa nakwilizwekazi leAfrika.
We are in a program to go out, reach out into our country, into those SADC countries, to compensate those people who contracted TB and were not contracted. Some of them are late. The compensation is going to go to their families, but at least something has to be done.
Ngaphandle kwemicelimngeni yayo kwezolawulo lwemali, ikwajongene nokhuphiswano luqatha oluvela kumaziko sasazo asakhasayo kule minyaka yakutsha nje. SABC ihleli engumthombo wolwazi, imfundo kunye nokonwabisa izigidi zabantu.
Miqanqa wakhe SABC ke singqinqa bokuqhung ikikhweju thaligia the past. We have not SABC and we have not speaking in our language in SABC. But now you can hear our language in SABC. You can anything you can translate it in our language in SABC.
The SABC has been playing this critical role to inform people about a whole host of issues which are taking place, challenges which they are sitting with in their communities, and some of those challenges are directly related to issues of service delivery. And also, as the province, we commit that we are going to work hard to address those issues.
SABC ivumile ukuba inemicelimngeni kodwa ithi izithembile ukuba isaza kudlala indima enkulu eluntwini.
We've come from a difficult past, but we can't use that as an excuse. So we want to succeed despite all of our circumstances and not because of it. And so we're reinventing ourselves, recreating ourselves for the SABC of the future, which, as you know, is going to be in the digital space.
Uplatyis uthi eliziko linezicwangciso zokuqinisa iimeko zalo zemali.